Okay, guys. So in the last videos, we got about the brief introductions of these of the cameras, of the building, of the functions, and about some installations, how to make these of the cameras. Now, in these videos, we have the brief introductions about the features and advantage with the others of the cameras. So as you know, some of these cameras receive a huge the distance is that the normal cameras with the long cables of long wires cannot take it anywhere. It receives not an easy take. So this one feature is that of some no need of connections with the power. If you use this type of cameras of device is the only one thing you need to take this is device with connected with the solar panels. So that means with you don't need too much about just like stay at home and you need to recharge with the long wires and take it outside. It would have the easy take. Yeah. So only just connected with the solar panels and there is some get of the energy from sun that can comes out of the power and the supply into this device. That will say so okay. Yeah. And the second ones was for the no winding, no cable. You don't need like connected with the computers, connected with some other device. Yeah, it's about the cable and the long distance about this kind. Yeah. So the third thing is, even though there is a lot of customers that would always have such a kind of questions, if in some of the condition we are not at home, what are we supposed to do? Yeah, I just wanted to check what's going on of the outside, what's going on, what's happening with special at home. So this is the fourth of features. So you have long distance remote review. You need to check anywhere you want it, only a mobile phone. It was just like here, QR code. You only go scanning of the QR code and the mobile phone that can control your microphones anywhere you want it, especially how far the distance you stay at. You also can check whatever happened. So inside the home, in the farm, in any of the location you want it. And the very important ones, this type is very small. You can place any kind of the place you want to hide it. Yeah. So the five, the fifth point, yeah, the features is a very important ones with the human sensor. Yeah, also with our sensor motion can, even though when you are field of dark in in the dome, you cannot see that any kind of the color. This kind of motion can detect about your movement, your even though they're walking around, can detect about your kind of human movations. So, the sixth point of the features that it can protect your privacy. Yeah. So there is also a lot of countries people of more got some pay more attention to it about security, especially about the home. Yeah, especially like uh, some it was just like a guy, you like guard in your home, and you're protected from any kind of damage of property and any kind of uh, security from your home. So that was, you can see the back side here. It's got a storage. Yeah. You put up the SD card image to the storage and locate in your location kind of storage of all of the memories, the profiles. So it would not be it would possible that would leak it out. Any kind of storage, any kind of informations, any kind of the recording things. Yeah. So the 7 point of the features is that it can two-way voice. Yeah. You, now you can check it here. It's a loudspeaker and the built-in with the microphone. Especially when you download to this app, you can talk to the mobile phone, and this device can hear what you are talking about it. You can get the communications with the mobile phone of the device, even though the servers of a very long distance. Got the communication, got this kind of functions of it can be work. So this is very important. Can detect the recording, no need, you will immediately have the communications efficiently. And the 8 point of the features is that there was very easy installations. Yeah, it was just not like the other cameras. So with a lot of the wires, a lot of cable can install it anywhere. With a lot of the it very installed very complicated, and think about a lot of the complicated situations, complicated problems. It was only fix this camera to be in some place. It cannot move anywhere because of the got a fix over the with the wires. So these kind of situations of too much can be annoying. Yeah, there are a lot of customers will always ask such of the kind of questions and have such a confusing problems. So that is our complaints. Yeah, connect with a lot of the customers of the problems and update the device with no wires, with no cable. Yeah, it was a very easy installations and very protect your privacy. Yeah, so such good things, these good functions can all gather in this device. Yeah. And in addition, this device is very small. It will be very easy to take anywhere you want it, and it's easy to install. Only Wi-Fi and 4G is very important. So another very special, in addition tips, make sure is that some of this device was made of the plastic. Yeah. So your location, temperature is very important. If it was over high, please let us know ahead of time. We will, according to your requirement, customize or recommend the best product you need. That's very important. And the second one is there's, even though this can no installation, no cable, but one thing is much more important. Before we offer you price, we offer you any kind of service, please let us know your signal cover range or 4G can do it or not, so that we can give the best choice and the best service, provide you the best of the requirement of this product. You can purchase, you need it. Yeah. So that was a very much more important as our professional teamwork. We want to do stand by your side and provide the best service and make you and help you to purchase and choose the right product, service, and devices. That's all we want to do that. Okay. So in these videos, thanks for watching. Yeah, we will update soon, as soon as possible.